everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to make a quick one because I just realized that eBay, they currently has a promotion where you buy anything more than $25, you're gonna get $25 off. So I took advantage of it and I bought this TV mount because I'm going to use this to install the light fixture that I received beginning of this week. So I'm not sure if this is targeted customers only, but I checked and I was able to get it $25 off. So I ended up paying for the taxes, and for this TV mount, which is like $26, I only ended up paying only $3.46. So it doesn't hurt to try. So if you guys want to give it a shot to see if you are getting that $25 vouchers, the code is Happy25. So just add the item to the cart and then just check where it says gift card or voucher, whatever. Just input in there Happy25 and to see if they deduct or $25 off. If they do, that means you're eligible. But if not, then you won't get it. I tried to go back and see if I could do it a second time, and the system is pretty smart, and it stated that the coupon was already used, or you already used the coupon, so you can only buy it a one-time thing, which is good. Normally this is the first time that I've seen it with the $25 voucher. Usually, or coupons, usually they have like $3, so $3 off anything more than $3. But I guess today is a little bit special or something. But good luck, and let me know if it works for you or if not. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys, and make sure if you like the video and if you're able to get the $25 off, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and just wait for more future videos. Thank you very much, and have a safe Sunday, guys. Bye.